Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We got 1819 Prism for Paul here. Let's start us off. Live stream while everybody's still tuning in. 你好，那1819嘅 PG Platinum 你互相上我咯未？ So we're just gonna stick to the bottom half. 我唔好一下，我以前撈落去好個。 So we got Aaron Holiday, Phenoms. We got Jerome Robinson, Emergent. We got Hassan Whiteside. Looks like the red. A Rainbow Harrison Barnes and Gary Trent Jr. Hakeem Olajuwon and Vince Edwards. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. Julius Irvin. Got Ellie Okobo, Landry Shamet, Rainbow Tyler Johnson. Got a Bill Walton, green. Numbered. No number on those ones. Justin Jackson, Larry Markkinen, Emerald, and Kevin Herter. Larry Bird. The auto's actually on the other side. Okay, so we got base. And, we got Zaza Pachulia. That's on G State. Kevin Love Rainbow. And Hamidou Dalio. Oh, we could maybe get a double. Karl Malone. Marcus Morris. Got red of Thaddeus Young and Chandler Hutchison. Markel, not just base of Fultz. We got Markieff Morris. Got Colin Sexton. Got Milo Teodosic. Jamichael Green. Aaron Holiday. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Trey Burke. Chim Easy Me Too, Dazan Musa, Kevin Durant, hyped. Nice. Moritz Wagner, Emergent Colin Sexton. Got Shea Gillis, Alexander, Kevin Knox. Nice. Final pack. Fingers crossed, or maybe a double auto. No. And Alan Crab. Nice. So there we have it, Paul. Appreciate it again. Let me know if you want some more Prism. We'll have to try.